The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power windows, power door locks, MP3 player, trip computer, child safety locks, bucket seats, CD player, passenger airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.